Don't be a parrot in life, be an eagle. A parrot talks way too much and can't fly high. But an eagle is silent and has the willpower to touch the sky. Haters don't really hate you, in fact, they hate themselves because you are a reflection of what they wish to be. Without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. Without trust, there is no reason to continue. Sitting alone and enjoying your own company is better than being surrounded by fake people. Don't judge me based on what you heard. The same way those people speak about me is the same way they talk about you. Honesty is always one of the best key to make a good relationship. Better to be egoistic and rude rather than fake or disloyal. At age 20, we worry about what others think of us. At age 40, we don't care what they think of us. At age 60, we discover they have not been thinking of us at all. Don't judge, nobody has it easy, everybody has problems, you never know what people are going through. So, before you start judging, criticizing, or mocking others, remember everybody is fighting their own battle. A mistake is an accident. Cheating and lying are not mistakes, they are intentional choices. Be the type of person that no matter where you go or where you are, you always add value to the lives of others around you. The biggest suspense of life is that you don't know who is praying for you and who is playing with you. Healing doesn't mean the damage never existed. It means the damage no longer controls our lives. Respect is the most important element of personality. It is like an investment. Whatever you give to others, it will return you with profit. The truth is the truth, even if no one believes it. A lie is a lie, even if everyone believes it. Our days are happier when we give people a piece of our heart rather than a piece of our mind. My father said there were two kinds of people in the world, givers and takers. The takers may eat better, but the givers sleep better. There will always be people in life who treat you wrong. Be sure you thank them for making you strong. Time is like a river, you cannot touch the same water twice because the flow what has passed will never pass again. Enjoy every moment of your life. Be careful who you trust. Salt and sugar look the same. Life has knocked me down a few times. It showed me things I never wanted to see. I experienced sadness and failures, but one thing for sure, I always get up. Speed is calculated as miles per hour, but life is calculated as miles per hour. So increase your smile and get extra mileage in life. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs one step at a time with patience, effort, and persistence. One thing I have learned is that life is highly unpredictable, and sometimes it's better to just go with the flow rather than try to plan everything out. Dirty water doesn't stop plants from growing, so don't let negative words stop your progress. Cell phones connect you to people far away and disconnect you from the ones beside you. You can't control everything. Sometimes you just need to relax and have faith that things will work out. Let go a little and just let life happen. Life is all about moving on, accepting changes, and looking forward to what makes you stronger and more complete. I am not impressed by money, social status, or job title. I am impressed by the way someone treats other human beings. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be talked to. Respect is earned, not given. If you want a long term relationship, follow one simple rule: never lie. Don't feel bad if people remember you only when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their mind when there is darkness. Don't carry your mistakes around with you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones to rise above them. Fake people gossip about everyone else. Real people mind their own business. If someone treats you badly, just remember that there is something wrong with them, not you. Normal people don't go around destroying other human beings. Respect the old when you are young. Help the weak when you are strong. Confess your faults when you are wrong, because one day you will be old, weak, and wrong. Worry is a total waste of time. It doesn't change anything. All it does is steal your joy and keep you busy doing nothing. If money and material things make you believe you are better than others, you are the poorest person on earth. While you wake up today, someone is taking their last breath. Thank God for another day. Don't waste it. I forgive people. It doesn't mean I accept their behavior or trust them again. It means I forgive them for me so I can let go and move on with my life. Be careful who you talk to. A listening ear is also a running mouth. In life, you will realize there is a role for everyone you meet. Some will test you, some will use you, some will love you, and some will teach you. But the ones who are truly important are the ones who bring out the best in you. When we give too much importance to someone in our life, we lose our value in their life. Relationships are like birds. If you hold tightly, they die. If you hold loosely, they fly. But if you hold with care, they remain with you forever. Never design your character like a garden where anyone can walk. Design your character like the sky where everyone desires to reach. I know some people are not happy with me because I am not so good. But few people surely love me because they know that my little goodness is not fake. Life becomes easier when you delete the negative people from it. Most of the problems in life come because of two reasons. We act without thinking or we keep thinking without action. Life will never wait for you to be okay. Get up, carry your burden, and keep going. The most dangerous person on earth is a fake friend. When I choose to remove someone from my life, it doesn't mean I hate them. It means I respect myself. Never laugh at someone's situation because you just never know if someday you will find yourself in the very same position. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe for more.